Hello everyone. This video is on looking at your report package and the most important reports to look at in your report package. In the event that you find that you do not have access to reports, payroll documents, or some of the documents that I am mentioning are not in your report packet, you can simply email your payroll provider or call them and ask to add specific reports or give you access to reports. So let's get started. So after a payroll has been processed for your company, you will want to review the payroll documents. So you go to reports in the navigation menu, and then you will click on payroll documents. And any new documents that you have not had a chance to look at will be listed here in green with a status of new. If you want to look at an old report, you simply click the drop down and select history, and it will show you older reports. So our 9/6 payroll is the regularly scheduled payroll. So with that, you click the plus sign for the 9/6, and it gives you all of the reports that were put in that report packet. And the most important ones that you'll want to look at, number one, the payroll check report. This is going to show all of the employee stubs. So again, I want to view it as a PDF, and then I just click view, and it will pull up a PDF of all of the employees' stubs. So this employee has direct deposit. I know that because there's an E in front of the check number, and it says void. This is not a check. Direct deposit. Whereas this employee, Ms. Shamari, has an actual paper check because it does not have an E in front, and it does not say void. This is not a check. All right, so I can look at the employee's checks. Once I am done, I can load the printer with proper check stock if I have proper check stock in my office and print this off. I could also download the checks, or I could just exit out. The next report that I'm going to want to look at is going to be the payroll expense report. So the payroll expense report is going to give me the total liability of my payroll. So I'll view that as a PDF. All right, and so as a client, I can look down here at this information that I have highlighted, and it tells me how my money is going to move. So I can see that 3,771.37 is direct deposit. I can see what my invoice was, what my vendor checks are, and what my EFTPS payments for my federal taxes are. So I know that 12,639.60 will be debited from my account. And then I can see that the total liability of my payroll is indeed the $27,101.90. So this is total what I am going to have my account funded with. All right. And another one that I will want to look at is going to be my payroll detail report. So this is going to give me everyone who was paid on my payroll and what they were paid. So I can see here that it gives me the hours the employee was paid, the amount, the taxes for the employee, the deductions for the employee, the net pay for the employee, and then the employer taxes. All right, and then down at the bottom of the last page, it's always going to give me my company totals as well. And we can go ahead and get out of that one. And then last but not least, I will probably want to view the invoice. So I'll choose that as a PDF, click view, and then I can see what I am being billed for, my base payroll fee, the tax check fee, etc., for a total of $107.23. So those are some of the most important reports you'll look at. Another important one would be the tax liability summary. I can view that as a PDF, and this is going to tell me each tax type. So I can see here for each tax type that I have on my company what the taxable wages were and what the tax amount is for the current pay date, the month to date, the quarter to date, and the year to date. So this is a nifty report to have, because if I ever have questions on taxes, I can go back and see how much should have been taken out current, month to date, quarter to date, and year to date. All right, so I hope this video has been useful to you. This is indeed a review of how to look at any new payroll documents that are assigned out here for you, and then taking a look at the most important payroll reports that you will want to look at each and every payroll. Now, there are numerous other payroll reports that may be important to you, so as you want reports, you just contact your payroll provider and then tell them the type of report. That would be great if you had them. But at minimum, you always want to look at the employee's checks, the tax liability summary, the payroll detail, and the payroll expense. Again, hope this video has been useful to you. We have many more on reports, so stay with us.